All right, so here, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to give you some advice. I'm going to give you some advice. So ideally, when you're watching these videos, or even in class, really, you should think of these things. Sorry, so you're watching the video. Oh, you can't do this in class, but you're watching the video, you would pause the video. Whenever you, first of all, come up with a question. If a question comes up, write it, pause it, write it down. Write it down. I don't get this. Why is this important? How did you get that number? Write it down. Okay. And then, or if you get lost, if I lost you, you know what? Pause, you paused it, and you say, what do I not understand about that? Does that make sense to me? The next big thing is to articulate what you are writing, articulate what is going on, right? In terms of what you're saying. The thing is, this is probably the hardest thing to do. I would argue this is probably very, very difficult in terms of learning something. What exactly, how do I exactly state my question? Or how am I confused on this? So this may take time, and that's what learning is. So, I mean, I'm okay with you getting lost. It's perfect, but then can you articulate what makes you lost? And I would argue you should do this with all your classes, not just mine. Then the third is, go through your notes and try to find out where your answers will be. I think that's going to be, if you don't do that and just come to me, which is step 4, you're going to notice that you're going to create this dependence between me and you, and I'll answer it for the most part, and I try my best to be timely, but if I get 150 emails, it's going to be kind of tough. If I get 150 emails, it will be kind of tough. I have to repeat myself because I'm speaking kind of fast. But you have to be able to go through step 3, all right? Do your due diligence, because then when you're out of this class, or you're out of your other classes, like how will you process your information? And as a student of myself, I actually have a list of questions, and I have to think through, why is this confusing? Why am I lost? Okay, so that's that. So that's the end of this video. This is like a how-to in terms of these videos, okay?